Hello everyone. Today we will knit something completely new, a knit with long distances between the purl loops on a stockinette stitch background. It appears too sophisticated for the simple way in which it was knitted. Our attention is drawn to 8 stitches and 2 rows. The sample's background stockinette stitch is 4 rows, but you can adjust the number of rows based on your preference. Row 1 is on the right side. After the edge loop, purl 3 loops, and slip 5 loops on the right hook without knitting. The yarn is in front. Purl 3 loops, and slip 5 loops on the right hook without knitting. The yarn is in front. Row 2 is on the wrong side. After the edge loop, slip 5 loops on the right hook without knitting. The yarn is on the back. Then knit 3. Slip 5 loops on the right hook without knitting. The yarn is on the back. Then knit 3. Next are 4 rows of stockinette stitch. The next row after the stockinette stitch should be knitted with an offset so that the 3 purl stitches fall in the center of the 5 slip stitches on the previous row. I recommend this knit for an elegant feminine cardigan or sweater. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.